Right, welcome back, gentlemen, to a recording of the gold, silver, and traditional markets for today, October 2nd, 2019. Let's get started. Gold silver ratio is dipping here, and I just wanted to point out that silver's starting to produce a little bit better now than gold. So let's see where that takes us later. For gold, though, however, we're getting a bit of an uptrend here. We've had two really nice days, but I'm not buying it yet. We did play around with buying it up here on the 9, selling, buying, selling again. We're doing really good. Bought it, sold it. This was an actual loss in the paper trade here. So I'm not going for this right here. I don't like how it hasn't closed below the Kumo cloud or the 20-day moving average. And honestly, my targets still stand for gold. I got a target here of 1360, target of 1305, and another target of 1244 that gold could pull back to. These are Fibonacci numbers. Let's check out, so gold, stay out of it. Let's check out silver on the 1 day here. Silver trying to rally a little bit, but I'm not taking the bait just yet. It's having a hard time battling against the 9 and leaning heavy on that Kumo cloud. Again, I've got Fibonacci targets for a pullback here on silver if it breaks through the Kumo cloud at $16.61, $15.89, and lower at $14.91. So we'll see what happens there. A lot of heavy sell pressure. Right here especially, this is not good. Okay, let's jump into the traditional markets here and see what the Dow Jones is looking like. We got out about a week ago over here with a gap, not a gap down. We had a gap down here, but with this downtrend here, broke RSI support. So we just bailed and got out. We'll see what happens. The SPX, the S&P 500 index, it's got out about the same time. Again, that broke RSI support. It's going down. U.S. 10-year Treasury yield is going down. So I don't have any markers for this as far as I know. Maybe, well, back here actually. But I'm not interested in really playing this because there's really nothing I'd love to get into. But it has just been a downtrend. If I see a real reversal and not just a fake out like this, then I will look at you and say, let's buy it. Okay, this is First Majestic Silver Corp. It has been a sell for quite a while. It's at $9.48 and is struggling inside the Kumo cloud and below the 9-day. It could be a little while. I'm not sure. This could go down a lot further. So this is a stay out of it situation for now. U.S. Brent crude oil is at $57.72 a barrel. We are down here at, what is this? I'm going to remove that. Oh, that was my support. I should have just left that. We're making a gigantic kind of falling wedge. I'm looking for it to go way low, down to 24 bucks even. Could be down into this area. We have done some plays. This is the weekly chart. Let's get back into the daily. The daily, we've made some plays here. Let me refresh that and go like that. There you go. We got kind of outside of the mean here and found a really nice top here on the RSI. So we got out with Fu Manchu, came on down here, got pretty low here and got some reversal signals to get into it. So we got in here and over here we got out. We had a lower high, so it was probably time to bail. So we got out and we've basically just stayed out. We didn't get involved with this pump at all. It did gap up quite a bit, but then has just been falling ever since. So we're going down. It's not looking good. UNG is United States Natural Gas Fund for LP. We had a 200 moving average rejection here where we got a sell and are just watching it go down, down, down. Let's see. Yeah, we had a gap up on the daily, which was a signal for us to get in. It didn't look good the next day, but the following day after that, it started looking real great. So, yeah, patience was rewarded. But yeah, it's a stay out of it situation for now at $19.36. I have no targets for this. I'm not real familiar with natural gas, so I'll have to keep watching it. Lawson Products, industrial tools and supplies is a sell. We're going to stay out of that. We got out roughly at 41.28, and it's at 37.80 currently. So we'll see where it takes us. Yeah, the OBV was saying get out, it's selling hard, and we had it jacked up like this, so it was a lot easier to see. How about GE? General Electric is also a stay out of it situation. It's going down. Yeah, RSI looks real weak, including volume below the Kumo cloud, below the Bollinger Band. Ooh, this is a big sell-off. GE at $8.51. GE accounting fraud exposed. Do you see that? That was this day on a gap down. Not nice. And then we bought the Golden Cross on the daily just as principal, and were rewarded because I actually wasn't real interested in getting into this. We had a really nice sell up further just based on RSI and volume, but really wasn't going to get into this, but I saw that Golden Cross and I was like, yeah, let's just do it. It was doing a full-blown back test, and then it went higher. Now we're out with barely any profit. I guess a little bit, all right? 10, 20 cents. Okay, stay out of it. Caterpillar. Cat. Let's see how that one looks. We had a gap down here on this daily, and then moving up over here. We buy this daily Golden Cross. We bought into there. And then got out here when support broke, and it's just been a stay out of it situation ever since. And today it gave us a gap down. So we're at $119.96 currently on Caterpillar. Stay out of it. How about Boeing? Boeing on the 1 day looks like Boeing got a gap down. Whoa. Okay. So yeah, we're staying out of that. It's not looking good here. This is real bad. We got out a little premature here. You notice it went higher. It dipped down and came back up. And I was like, yeah, I'm not going to get into that. I didn't want to chase it. I got lucky pretty much. Don't get out early if you can help it, I guess. AMD, how about Advanced Micro Devices Inc? Stay out of it. It's going down. A lot of sideways chop. Right here, in and out of the Kumo cloud. It finally has found a direction. It's going down. Look at this 200-day moving average to be support. Right around 27. It's currently at 28.31. But I think around 27.20 could be a good area to look at a possible buy. Keep an eye on other indicators too. How about Zoom video communications? I love using Zoom. But Zoom is overvalued. At 102 is when we got to sell. It's currently at 73.85. And how long was that? That didn't take very long, did it? Something like this, like 47 bars, 66 days. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, we had yeah, it's overvalued. Facebook Inc. going down. Stay out of it. It's just not looking good. Facebook was trading in sort of a trend channel here. Let's pull this back up. This got out of whack somehow. There we go. Something like this. Started to fall out of the trend channel and getting, lower highs. So we stayed out of it. We're out of it still. Amazon is at $1,713. This is extremely overvalued. Almost sold the top, baby. I mean, man, let me go back in time. This will be a sweet sell. Yeah, 1,973 was our sell. been coming down, down, down. And right here, we actually got out here. And then over here, Jeff Bezos is dumping stocks right here. And you can see that with lots of sell pressure right there. And all of this, lots of sell pressure. So, yeah, stay out of it. Alibaba. How is this one? We're going to buy this right here. Buy this support, sell if it goes below. We bought the support right here on this little baby wick. You see that? It's running up. So we'll see. We'll see. I like the break of the RSI and the uptick of volume. I'd like to see some more of that. But it could be just a get out of it situation. We got a stop sell in place right there, man. 162.60. If it drops below that, you're going to want to get out. Let's actually move that up so we get just right at the, just a little bit below that wick right there. So, oh, my sister's doing some funny stuff. Mark is red. Okay. All right. So, yeah, that's how we're going to play it. Stop sell if it dips below that purple line. Alibaba. Oh, that should buy actually. Very good. Apple today is a sell. We got a gap down, not too good. We got lots of sell pressure coming in here, and it'd be probably best just to stay out of it for now. Let's take a look at it overall, how it's been performing. It's been performing pretty good actually, but yeah, Apple's a sell today. Dipping down now below the 20-day moving average, so we're not real interested in this for right now. We'll see what happens. We also broke RSI support. Tomorrow could actually be a little bit of an up day because as a reaction to that gap down and that sell-off, but I'm not interested in buying it. Okay, Netflix, let's see. Netflix is a sell. Stay out of it. We've been out of it for a while, since back here on the 12th of July. But we had a massive gap down by $40, and I wrote, Netflix just died. Okay, well, there you have it. So anyway, looking at this chart here, I don't know. It's trying, but I'm not interested. Not interested. Not yet. Let's see here. Oh, gap down bearish. Look at that. This is Alphabet, Google. Stay out of it. Lots of sell, heavy sell pressure, and going down. How about Subaru Corporation? We got out with a gap down. Unfortunately, we were kind of late getting out. We could have got out a lot better position, probably on this day, but we got out the day later with a gap down, which was not good. But we're just going to stay out of it. It's possible that right now it's at $13.30, and I think it's going to go to $12.50 roughly. So Subaru, which is Subaru Corporation, stay out of it. Race, aka Ferrari, stay out of it. Falling out of the channel, has to stay in daily Kumo or above it right here. We were falling out of the channel, and then that channel actually looked at that point a lot like this, but I moved it to readjust for this one here, and then I said falling out for the second time and getting out. So I got out late after this dump, so I should have got better position if I was really paying attention. This should have been this was the actual sell. I should have got out at 146. Instead I got out at 137. So mistakes were made. But we're now well in profit, so it's fine. We're still holding cash for this. Stay out of it. So yeah, race, Ferrari, stay out of it. How about Ford? Ford having a little bit of trouble here lately. We got a gap down back here on the 17th of July. We got out, and then later got a gap down on about the 25th of July, was it? Yeah. And I said it looked real bad at that point, and sure enough, it's just been down, down, down. We did get in over here when RSI broke to the upside, and we thought, oh, woohoo, we're making money. But then we got this big bear wick and just thought, you know what, just take profit. You know, the rules of Kumo Cloud are this: when you're below the Kumo Cloud, you sell every pump, and this looked like a great pump to sell, and well, we got lucky, I guess. And then the next day, this is pretty bizarre, right? So you close here at 9:54, and then it opens the next day at 9:08, and I go, oof, what is this? Like, this is crazy. Only after hours traders are doing this. This is stupid. I hate that this market can do this. Anyway, that's Ford. Ford Motor Company, stay out of it. How about GM? GM looks like a carbon copy of Ford. It has a gap down here right now at $34.68. We're going to stay out of it. Our exit was right here at 39.06. So now that it's at 34.68, we're doing pretty good. So just stay out of it. How about Tesla? What do we got here? Okay, Tesla. I got in here. Should have got in way earlier, but I didn't. Waited too long. We came up here, traded sideways, and then it wicked down. I should have been looking at the signs here, especially volume, that was telling me all kinds of things like, hey, dummy, get out of here. We probably should have got out on this candle right here, but we didn't. And then it came all the way down. I said, too late to sell now, you know, let's just wait. And then it bounced, so we got lucky. We are in profit. But I'm saying look to sell soon, because this is not looking good. It's very range bound, and you know what? I think we might just get out of this damn thing. I don't like this. Yeah, just take profit. Just get out. Here you go. Boom, out of here. Tesla, you're gone. All right, there you go. That was easy. Okay, overstock.com. Let's check that out. We got a Fu Manchu here with heavy sell pressure. We got out, and then it just started rolling out and downhill. Interestingly enough, though, we're starting to get that uplift here, which is really good. I'm going to pull out indicators real quick. We're going to go into favorites and flip down to volume. Let's add that and get rid of this. Volume. That's what I thought. Volume's coming in hot. I like that. Look out for this. We're not going to buy it now, but we're got to keep an eye out on it. Starbucks. We got out with a stop sell at 95.58, but I thought I would buy back in if it reached over this purple line, and it never did. So we're getting lots of massive down pressure, sell pressure right here, and we just don't want to get involved with it. Stay out of it. It's currently at $84.32. Dunkin' Donuts. Oh man, I love me a good donut. Here we go. What did I say here? Oh, I added this to the list. I only added it recently. That's why there's no data back here. But I thought this is definitely a sell here. This big red candle rolling in. Stay out of it. Dunkin' Donuts, not interested. Twitter. How about Twitter? Stay out of it. It looks like it's rolling over on the daily is kind of what I thought here. We had kind of that bearish engulfing candle here. Lots of, falling out of the Bollinger Bands was no good. I thought it might be a buyback here on the 20-day, but it just kind of looks so flat and weak. And just thought, well, we'll just stay out of it. And we're rewarded, so it's going down even lower. Our exit point was $44.25, and it's now $39.70. So we're doing good. Dick's, how's this company doing? Dick's Sporting Goods on the 1 day, looking good. We're running up here and just got out recently. So yeah, it's broken RSI support and doesn't look good here. This is nastiness. It's not a clear Fu Manchu, but breaking RSI support was no good. Stay out of it. Aussie USD. How about this one? We got this as a buy. I like this tweezer bottom here. And it's breaking to the upside. I like that. And volume's coming up. That's okay. We got some two good days of volume. We'll see what happens here. Canadian dollar versus the US dollar. We got out in a very bad position here. This was no good. So our entry was at 75 and our exit was at what, 75.01. This one was 75.36. So yeah, we didn't do too good on this. Okay. We are a tad bit range bound, I would say. I'm just going to stay out of it for now and see what it does. Even if I buy higher, it's okay, but I need clear direction to the upside before I jump into this. I bought below the Kumo cloud. You know the rules. Sell every pump. I should have got out up here when it was peeking its head above the Kumo cloud and waited. Apparently somebody was way smarter than me here, got out. How about the Euro USD? Let's check this one out. Don't get it yet. Getting all that up pressure is real nice. I like this. This is good. This is good. I'm going to add that right there. I didn't add that before. I should have. Yeah, this is good. So we're getting that lift, and it won't be long now, I don't think, until this thing starts really performing the Euro USD. At least get a relief rally because it's been coming down for a while. So stay out of it for now. MoneyGram International coming down. We got out on 13th of September. Bad candle with major sell pressure right here. I don't like this candle shape. I don't like the way it looks. Don't look at me. We got out with a confirmed the next day with the break of the RSI EMA. How about Uber? Uber's currently at $29 and appears to be dropping. Stay out of it. And Lyft also stay out of it. I don't have any, I've never gotten into any of these because I just think they're dogs for right now. Uber at $29 and Lyft at 38 are extremely overvalued for now. I do think their upside potential will be huge later, but we'll wait till we get to the bottom. Okay, guys, that's it for today. God bless you. I am out of here. We'll see you in the chat group. All right. See ya.